In the last video, we have seen bricks, its constituents, properties, classification, and manufacturing and uses. Here, I would like to give some basic details about the different types of bricks which are available in the market. So, as I have already told, the bricks can be solid and it can be hollow as well. So, whether it is a solid or hollow, both are made up of clay as a raw material. Other than this clay based bricks, and other important type of brick which is available in the market is fly ash bricks. You would have seen such a gray color brick in some construction sites, and I would like to clarify that not all the gray color blocks which you are see which you have noticed in construction sites are not fly ash bricks, right? So it's not about having the color, it's about the constituents. So in fly ash brick, the major raw material is fly ash and other cementitious material. But in larger size blocks which you may notice in the construction sites are not needed, that it might have been formed from fly ash based material. So that and all are majorly cementitious material dominated blocks. So those can be called as blocks. In otherwise, this fly ash based brick will be called fly ash bricks itself, right? So what is the raw material? As I told, the fly ash is actually a byproduct, a waste byproduct, which is being produced in massive quantity in coal based thermal power plants. Yes, wherever people are generating electricity from coal burning process, fly ash will be available there in a very higher quantity, in tons and tons of ranges. So once people started to utilize those waste fly ash, then they found out the solution as we can make them into a brick. So if you want to compare the clay bricks with respect to the fly ash brick, an important comparison is plastering is required for normal clay brick, and plastering is not required for fly ash brick. Plastering is nothing but once you construct the entire wall with laying the bricks one over another, finally a closing layer will be provided with the help of cement paste. So that is called plastering, and that plastering is not needed for fly ash bricks. So why? So the fly ash bricks is that having an uniform surface, since it is fully made with the help of machine molding and proper machine based manufacturing steps. And that's the major difference between your clay brick and fly ash brick. In other turn, if you see, clay brick will have more porous, and it will fly ash brick will have less porous. So resultant, the water absorption ratio will be more in clay brick comparing with the water absorption ratio for a fly ash brick. So I would like to mention that apart from this fly ash based bricks, there are other and types of bricks are also available in market for the various purposes. You would have noticed them in the the roadside platforms as a paver walk, and in inside the garden also people used to lay those as a paving path. So these can be made with the help of fly ash as an ingredient, or cementitious based material as a major ingredient, right? So market farms are there, and for the different purposes and the quality required, different types of bricks are used. What I wanted to convey is fly ash brick is an important alternate for the clay bricks, since fly ash brick is made out of waste material, and clay brick is made out of the natural resources, which has to be reduced as much as possible.